Hi viewers, if you are checking out Prega News for the first time, then please do not forget to subscribe Prega News. And you can see a bell icon, so you have to click on this bell icon to get the updated notification from Prega News. Hello friends, this is Juliet and welcome you all to Prega News. This video is exclusively for men, and in this video we will discuss about tips to increase your sperm count, as it also plays an important role in our pregnancy. So let's check out. Avoid overheating your testicles. There's a reason for our testicles, that is the reason our testicles rest outside our bodies. They need to stay a bit cooler than rest of our internal organs. When testicles get too warm, they aren't able to produce as much sperm. There are a number of ways to make sure your testicles don't get overheated. So for that, don't wear tight pants and jeans. It is always advisable to wear loose cotton boxer shorts instead of briefs. Sleep without underwear so that your testicles stay cooler. Avoid hot baths and saunas. Wear a jock strap when you play sports. It is very important, guys. It does without saying, because most men know this from experience, but a blow of the ball will hurt you and kill your sperm. Massage your body with herbal oils. This, along with regular exercise, improves overall blood flow and circulation. Increased circulation means healthier sperm. Reduce stress levels. As we all know, stress itself is very dangerous for everybody in every situation. Stress can decrease your sexual function, leading to reduced sperm production. If you work 12 plus hours a day and never give yourself a chance to rest, your count might be down as a result. Keep your mind and body healthy by regularly practicing yoga and meditation, or take up running or swimming. Stress hormones block Leydig cells, which are tasked with regulating testosterone production. When your body experiences too much stress, it can actually stop producing sperm altogether. Make sure you are getting enough sleep every night. Exhaustion can also lead to increased stress and cause decreased sperm production. Stop smoking. Smoking cigarettes cause sperm count to be lower, makes them move more slowly, and causes the sperm themselves to be mishapen. According to one study, men who smoke have 22 fewer sperm than men who doesn't. Back on both of these substances is a good idea if you want to boost your count. Drink alcohol moderately. Alcohol affects your liver function, which in turn causes a dramatic spike in estrogen levels. Since testosterone is directly linked to sperm health and sperm production, this isn't a good state of affair. Even 2 drinks a day will have long-term effect on sperm production. Ejaculate less frequently. Frequent ejaculation can lower sperm count. Your body produces millions of sperm each day, but if you already have low sperm count, consider storing them up longer between ejaculation. If you have sex or masturbate daily, cut down on the frequency for increased sperm production. Be careful around toxins. Exposure to chemicals can affect the size, movement, and counts of your sperm. It's more and more difficult to avoid exposure to toxins, but it's absolutely necessary for your overall health and the health of your sperm. Do the following to decrease your exposure. If you work around chemical all day long, protect your skin with long sleeves and gloves, and make sure you wear a mask and goggles to protect your face. Use natural cleansing supplies instead of cleaning with chemicals. Don't use pesticides or herbicides in your house or yard. Hope this video of mine is quite helpful for men and husbands, and thank you for watching my video, and please do not to forget to subscribe, share and like my channel, that is Prega News. And if you like my video, please do hit the like button. Thank you.